Hello, today we're gonna make a Thimbles, which is basically a part that used to increase the rope's lifespan. So let's create a sketch and create the outline of it. So what does it represent? It represents a line that later go ahead and transform into the rope, into the circle, and into the another line. Great. I on purpose offsetted this part so it's easier to create the sweep later with its profile. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create our own line of symmetry. And we will attach this center of circle to this line, as well as making those lines tangent to each other. Great. Now let's ensure the symmetry of those two lines over this and over this. Good. Now we need to set the size of it in the bottom to be around an inch actually. Great, so actually we can check the approximate size of it to be around 4 inches, which seems correct on the average scale. Good. Let's check what other... Okay, here we go. We have this unconstrained part. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna constrain it through the angle. Which around 110 degrees looks correct. Now the size in this direction is not limited, therefore we will attach those parts on our support line and we will set the dimension for the support line to be around 4 inches. Awesome. Click OK. Now we will create a sketch on the front plane. Sketch. And let's change our view orientation. So you see what I did? I made sure that this line of origin is the beginning of our sweep path. So let's begin. But what is it, right? So the rope is approximately circular. So let's pick a circle that will go like this. Let's pick a second one that will go like this. And then what's happening next? Right, then they are uniting into one single part. So let's do approximate of it. Good. Now let's make sure this line is horizontal, this line is horizontal, as well as this one and this one. Let's exert some of the equality between this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Right, and let's give it a size. The good size would be 1 to 2. So let's say 2 millimeters. Great. And this great size would be around 5 millimeters, not inches. 5 millimeters. And now it's just what's left to constrain is this width. So if this is 5 and this is 5, this one should be around 8. Maybe even 7. Here you go. And now let's check for its width. The big rope is usually around 12 millimeters. But before we do that, let's make sure that those lines are all symmetric around the x-axis. Right. Now let's constrain it. First of all, let's change it from the outer diameter to the inner. And change it to 12 millimeters. Awesome. So we are back to our part. And now let's play a bit with those radiuses. Let's set the difference between them to be around 3, not inches, 3 millimeters. Okay, let's move them together until it looks approximately correct, which it does. Let's move the part here and make sure this line, this are touching. Great. Now we have our own creative freedom. And this looks approximately correct. So let's check for other degrees of freedom and get rid of them. Good. Click OK. And now what we will do, we will pick the sketch and sweep it on this path. Awesome. Now what's left is just around this one a bit. And this one. It's around 4 millimeters. On both sides. Alright. Let's make sure we don't miss any side and click OK. And here you go. It's a perfect symbol for the big rope of 12 millimeter diameter. Huh. Interesting. You see, when we did that, this part came at an angle. Therefore, we did something bad. So let's go back to the sketch, and instead of making this line connected to this point, we will move it and make this line connected to this point. Click OK. Yes. And now what we can do, we can click on this plane, click sketch, and draw an outside geometry that then we will remove. Symmetric. And click OK. And now it's completely done. Thank you and have a great day.